So James, where are we going right now?
Pumpkin patch.
Are you gonna go on the big slide?
Yeah.
Yeah. How many times?
Yeah, Among Us slide.
Humongous slide, yes it is. What else is at the pumpkin patch? Do you remember?
Kiss the pumpkins.
You gonna kiss the pumpkins?
I kiss the pumpkin.
That's how excited you are? Look.
Over here, James.
Look over there.
Here it is.
James, what do you want to do?
Go down slide with mommy.
Where's the slide? Show me.
Over there.
Let's go. Lead the way.
Come on, mommy.
Keep going. Hold on. You want to go by yourself?
I want to go with mommy.
All right. Woo!
Come on.
Look how high we are.
Ready, steady, go. I want to go one more time.
Okay, be careful.
Slide's wet. Awesome.
What?